Need flexibility in your curing process? The UVCS version 3.0 LED conveyor offers multiple operation modes to match your workflow. In manual static mode, users can operate the conveyor as a curing oven. The system's part detection sensors identify when a part enters the curing chamber, stops the part under the emitters for your set time and intensity, and then pushes it out. In manual moving mode, the conveyor runs at a continuous speed, allowing you to place parts onto the belt as they move through the curing chamber without pausing. If preferred, the whole system can be operated directly via PLC. The system can receive start and stop commands from a PLC and send warnings back to it. This is beneficial for those that already have a larger operation. Visit Dymax.com to learn more.